Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide. Here is Nathan Weaver.
Hello, and welcome to Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom. I'm Nathan Weaver, founder and executive director of Petra Worldwide. In a prior session, we spoke about the success tax, the cost of moving into a higher tax bracket. But today, I'm going to address a different kind of penalty lurking in the shadow, the underpayment penalty. Many of you have transitioned away from the safety of the W-2 paycheck to the freedom of the 1099, but you're bringing in the old paradigm with you, the belief that taxes are a once-a-year event. In the eyes of the IRS, the harvest must be shared as it's gathered. If you wait until April to settle your account, you'll find that you are assessed a 7% interest penalty that has already eaten a part of your wealth away. Today, we discuss the why and the when of estimated tax payments so you can keep your harvest whole. So let's talk about it. In the US, we are on a pay-as-you-go system. If you are self-employed, if you are a freelancer, if you are an investor, there is no automatic government withholding. If you expect to owe $1,000 or more when you file your tax return, the law generally requires you to make advance quarterly payments. Now, to avoid the IRS assessment, you must pay either 90% of what you owe for the current year, that's paying 90% on a pay-as-you-go basis in advance, or you must have paid 100% of what you owed last year. If your adjusted gross income is $150,000 or more, then that threshold moves from 100 to 110% of last year's taxes. When you ignore these markers, it's not just a delay, it's an invitation for the IRS to charge you an additional 7% interest fee on money that you kept in your pocket that really belonged to them for way too long.
Pastors and financial leaders, do you need expert accounting or tax help? Do you have payroll or 1099 questions? Do you need a ministry expert to help you acquire real estate for your next project? If the answer is yes, yes, and yes, visit petraworldwide.org. Petra Worldwide has been strengthening ministries to transform humanity since 2007. Visit petraworldwide.org or call 855-481-9095.
A wise ruler marks their calendar not by seasons, but by deadlines. The due dates for advanced tax payments are generally as followed. For the first quarter, January through March, the advance payment is due April 15th. For the second quarter, April through May, the advance payment is due June 15th. For the third quarter, June through August, the advance payment is due September 15th. And for the last quarter, September through December, the advance payment is due on January 15th of the following year. The wisdom here is timing. If you have a sudden massive harvest, unexpected, in your third quarter, you can't wait until January to account for it or to make subsequent deposits for it. You must adjust your September payment to reflect the new reality. Remember, the penalty is calculated on a quarter-by-quarter basis. Even if you pay extra in December, the IRS can still penalize you for being short in April. So this is where our King Life members find their edge. Our tools don't just record history, they help you predict it. We analyze your income as it hits your books, automatically calculating your estimated obligation so you're not surprised at the 15th. We help you decide whether you pay the minimum in the safe harbor or pay an extra amount to avoid paying in April. Listen, the tax king doesn't care that you're busy building your kingdom. He cares if you are compliant. And that's what we're after here, to keep you compliant and keep you safe. I'm Nathan Weaver. We'll see you next time.
Listen every day at 4 p.m. for Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide, strengthening ministries to transform humanity. On the web at petraworldwide.org.